Why are people so affected by the Kathniel breakup? Sad nga naman kasi, di ba? So, what's the psychology behind this current phenomenon ngayon in the Philippines that are putting people into a frenzy, that some are even taking sick leave to tend to their quote-quote broken hearts affected by the Kathniel breakup? From a psychology point of view, here's my take. People are affected because they have been living vicariously through them. Because of the romanticism of Kathniel's relationship, somehow you are living your dreams and ideals about a perfect, beautiful romance through these two people, watching their life unfold on screen and through their social media accounts. You know, it makes you believe na merong forever. Their pairing is so ideal. Lahat ng nakikita mo, yung mga masasaya and kilig moments, you know, you see their beautiful faces, high fashion, awesome places they go to, right? Friends, glitz and glamour of what makes Kathniel, you know, the relationship that you so long to have. So when that relationship broke, it also broke you. And certainly those feelings are valid. You know, something you've been witnessing as beautiful come down in shambles will naturally make you feel sad. And it somehow feels very personal to you because this whole time, what you have seen of their relationship have created in you a sense of some artificial intimacy, unfortunately. So you then over-identify with them. That breakup is your breakup. Your mind now goes into, wala nang forever, you know, I'm never gonna find someone, you know, that's gonna be with me, etc. Kung si Kathniel nga, with their wealth, you know, their fame, their relationship broke, ako pa kaya, right? Kahit gaano kami katagal ng partner ko, maghihiwalay rin kami, parang Kathniel. So this sort of mindset then starts to dampen your personal beliefs and values about love and relationships in general. So my caution is to look inward and outward. Inward to see the beautiful, amazing man or woman that you are, and outward for hope about love and relationships. That in general, you know, the world is still full of amazing humans ready to share that love with you. So kung sobrang affected ka dahil sa breakup ng Kathniel, again, it's not really about them, it's about you. Your feelings of crushed dreams and aspirations about love and relationships. It's okay feeling sad and dejected that some relationships, including those of yours, you know, did not last. But for now, tend to that grief. Honor your feelings of discouragement, but don't let it dash your hopes. Kahit gaano kasakit at kahirap ang breakups, there are still relationships and marriages that work. Love can still abound and meaningful connections can still happen and blossom. Take care.